Unlocking the elegance of expression. Flow from one's lips. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that paints a vivid picture of eloquence and fluency. Flow from one's lips. This expression is not just about speaking. It's about the art of communication. So, if you've ever wondered how to describe someone's ability to speak smoothly and effortlessly, you're in the right place. When we say words flow from one's lips, we're talking about speaking in a way that is smooth, natural, and seemingly effortless. Imagine a river gently flowing. The words come out in a steady, uninterrupted stream. This phrase often implies not just fluency, but also a certain grace or eloquence in how the words are presented. This expression can be used in various contexts, but it's particularly fitting when describing public speaking, storytelling, or any situation where articulate speech is on display. For instance, during the debate, her arguments flowed from her lips with such clarity and conviction that everyone was captivated. It's also a great phrase to use in creative writing or when giving compliments to someone on their speaking skills. However, it's more poetic than casual, so it fits best in formal or literary contexts. As he recounted his adventures, the words just flowed from his lips, capturing everyone's imagination. The poem she recited was so well memorized that it flowed from her lips effortlessly. When asked about his passion for music, the explanation flowed from his lips as smoothly as a practiced melody. A common mistake is using this phrase in the wrong context. It's not suitable for everyday, casual conversations where the speech is expected to be straightforward. Also, avoid overusing it. Reserve this expression for instances where the speech genuinely stands out due to its eloquence or smoothness. The phrase, flow from one's lips, is a beautiful way to acknowledge someone's eloquence and ability to speak with ease and grace. Whether you're praising a friend's speech, describing a character's dialogue in a story, or simply admiring the fluency of a public speaker, this expression adds a touch of elegance to your language. We hope this video has helped you understand and appreciate the charm of this phrase. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.